Hey, this is Dan with Zebra, and I'm going to show you how to use the mobile PDF printing feature from your iOS or Android device. First things first, make sure you've already installed and updated the ZSB Series app. Open the Amazon Seller app on your phone and log in. From the main menu, select Manage Orders and then select your new order. In the Order Details page, select Buy Shipping and then Continue. A browser window will open with your order information. Scroll down to that item, make sure you have the 4x6 label size selected, and choose Buy Shipping. A print preview of your label will now pop up. Using an Android phone, select Share, Send File, and then ZSB Series. Have an iPhone, select Share, and then ZSB Series. When the print preview window opens, if your label doesn't look centered, select Edit Label, and then use the editing tools to rotate and move the crop box. And when you get it just the way you want it, select Done, and then Print to send it to your ZSB Series printer. It's that easy. For more ZSB tutorials, check us out day or night at zsbseries.com/support. And as always, design with ease, print with confidence, only with the ZSB Series.